Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are unboxing and checking out the new Giraffe Tools Grandfalls pressure washer, which is a 2200 PSI, 2.1 GPM water flow electric high pressure washer. Here's what comes in the box. We have a pressure washer instruction manual and a small tip sheet they include. And then inside the box we have the pressure washer gun on top and all the attachments for it. And of course, underneath everything we have the pressure washer itself, as well as a hose extension to hook up your garden hose. Here's what the pressure washer design looks like. It's very sleek, and for having a whole 100 feet of hose length, it is a really clean design. In order so we didn't have to drill directly into the wall, we made this little mount with a piece of wood. We then attached the metal mount, which the pressure washer slides onto, and it ended up looking really nice. Here's the C300 we'll be cleaning today using the Giraffe Tools pressure washer, and let's see how this pressure washer performs. The foam cannon that it also included works really well and produces some awesome snow foam. I was really impressed with how it performed for being such a small foam cannon. But overall, this pressure washer performs flawlessly. With it being such a compact design, you can save the space, and it definitely makes cleaning less time consuming, which is a huge plus. Thanks again to Giraffe Tools for providing this pressure washer for the video. I'll have a link in the description and comment section down below for you guys to check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.